Hello students, today we are going to do question number 8 of exercise 4.3 class 9. In countries like the USA and Canada, a temperature is measured in Fahrenheit, whereas in countries like India, it's measured in Celsius. Here is a linear equation that converts Fahrenheit to Celsius. F is equal to 9 by 5 C plus 32. First, draw the graph of the linear equation above using Celsius for x-axis and Fahrenheit for y-axis. So that is part 1 of the question. Now in this, we are going to take different values of C to get different values of y or the Fahrenheit. So in this case, let's take C as 0 first, that means the x as 0. So if I take x equal to 0, 9 by 5 into 0 plus 32, my value of y or Fahrenheit will be 32 Fahrenheit. If I take my C as minus 15, then in that case f will be 9 by 5 into minus 15 plus 32. So that will be minus 27 plus 32, which will give me 5 as y. If I take my C as minus 10, try to take C as the multiples of 5 so that it can cancel with the 5 below. You can take positive or negative both. With positive they are becoming very big, so I'm taking negative here. So this into minus 10 plus 32. So this is coming minus 18 plus 32, which is 14. So I have got my 3 points ready to make the graph. The points are 0, 32, minus 15, 5 and minus 10, 14. So 0, 32, this point is here on the graph. Minus 15, 5, that is x is minus 15 and y is 5 is the point here, and minus 10, 14 is the point here. After plotting the 3 points, just draw a line and your graph is ready. Part 2 of the question. If the temperature is 30 degrees Celsius, that means the x is 30 degrees Celsius. What is the temperature in Fahrenheit? Now the equation is Fahrenheit is equal to 9 by 5 C plus 32. Or we can write y is equal to 9 by 5 x plus 32. In this, x is given to us as 30 degrees Celsius. So putting this value here, 5 and 30 can cancel. So we have 54 plus 32, or we have 86 degree Fahrenheit. So the answer for the second part is 86 degree Fahrenheit. Third part, if the temperature is 95 degree Fahrenheit, so y is given as 95 degree Fahrenheit, what is the temperature in Celsius? So according to the equation, y is equal to 9 by 5x plus 32. So in place of y, we'll put 95. 95 is equal to 9 by 5x plus 32, or 9 by 5x can be written as 95 minus 32, which is 63. Or I can write x is equal to, here it will cross multiply, 63 into 5 by 9. 9 and 63 can cancel, and my x is coming as 35. So it is 35 degrees Celsius. Fourth part, if the temperature is 0 degrees Celsius, what is the temperature in Fahrenheit? And if the temperature is 0 degree Fahrenheit, what is the temperature in Celsius? So we know that F is equal to 9 by 5 C plus 32. So 9 by 5 into 0 will be 0. So my y is 32 degrees Fahrenheit. So when 0 degrees Celsius is there, then the Fahrenheit is 32 degrees. And when I have my Fahrenheit as 0, that means y is 0. In that case, 0 is equal to 9 by 5x plus 32, or 9 by 5x is equal to minus 32. X can be written as minus 32 into 5 by 9. So that will be equal to minus 160 by 9, which will come as minus 17.77, or we can round it off to minus 17.8 degree Celsius. Part 5, Is there a temperature which is numerically the same in both Fahrenheit and Celsius? If yes, find it. So we are saying that let's assume that F and C are equal at some point. That means our y and x will be equal, right? Y is equal to x. So I can write x as y here, or I can write 9 by 5y minus y is equal to minus 32. I'll take a common denominator, 9 by minus 5y. This is minus 32. Or we can write 4y is equal to minus 32 into 5. Or y is equal to minus 32 into 5 by 4. This will cancel. Minus 8 into 5, that is minus 40. So minus 40 is a temperature. It is such that on Celsius scale and on Fahrenheit scale, it is equal. If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.